But here's where it gets controversial. Tesla's Optimus robot demo isn't just a tech showcase. It's a mirror reflecting the broader tension between innovation and practicality in the race to redefine human labor. While Elon Musk promised a $25 trillion market value for the company's future, the reality is far less glamorous, especially when you consider the robot's inability to even find a Coke on its own. This isn't just about robotics. It's about the existential question: can machines truly replace human jobs? The answer, it seems, is still a mystery. Musk's latest demo, a 52-second clip, paints a picture of a robot that's more bipedal than functional. It's a marvel of engineering, but also a cautionary tale. The Optimus robot, designed to walk, talk, and perform tasks, is still a work in progress. Its hands, described in the video as mannequin-like, lack the dexterity needed to handle even simple tasks like fetching a drink. This gap between vision and reality is a stark reminder that even the most advanced AI systems require real-world refinement. The debate isn't just about the robot's capabilities. It's about the broader implications for the workforce. With Musk doubling down on AI, he's positioning the Optimus as a tool to reshape industries. But critics argue that such investments are a distraction from pressing issues like supply chain disruptions and climate change. Meanwhile, Chinese competitors like Unitree are quietly undercutting Tesla's ambitions. Their $16,000 humanoid robot, capable of performing complex tasks like kung fu, is a clear threat to Musk's vision. Yet the controversy isn't just about cost or speed. It's about the ethical dilemmas of automation. If robots can replace human roles, does that mean we're losing our jobs? Or are we merely redefining them? The Optimus demo leaves many wondering, what's the true purpose of this technological revolution? As Tesla grapples with production bottlenecks and technical hurdles, the answer may lie not in the robot's speed, but in the courage to adapt. In the end, the Optimus robot is more than a product. It's a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit of progress. But as the world watches, one question remains: will the future of work be defined by machines or by the humans who create them?